Okay, gang, the purpose of this quick tutorial is to show you how to access newspaper articles using a newspaper database through the Kansas State Library's website. So once again, you access the website by going to www.kslib.info. I just highlighted it. Once you enter that information, this page will pop up. Go down to Online Resources, click on Online Resources. From there, it'll take a second or two and this page will pop up. Now we are going to focus on Newspaper Source Plus because the purpose of this tutorial is to find newspapers through an academic database. So you click on that, and at that point in time, this particular database will appear. Now, you enter your adolescent issue into that search engine. What you could do is you could just simply type in bullying, or you could type in adolescent bullying. Or you could type in teenage bullying. Or you could type in bullying causes. Type in bullying effects. You could do several different search options in order to narrow your particular search. If we just did bullying in schools and you click on that, you see 25,135 articles about bullying in schools. So there's really no excuse. You can't tell me that you can't find any information. If anything, you're going to find too much information. So what we need to do is we need to streamline that information. Click on full text where it says limit to, click on full text. You do that so that way only full text articles will pop up, not abstracts. Abstracts are summaries. They won't help you at all. We want full text articles. So we see it narrows it down somewhat. Then you go to your source types. You have newspapers, U.S. newspapers, news wires, and radio and TV news transcripts. Now, radio and TV news transcripts are basically word-for-word reports of radio segments or television programs. Let's focus on newspapers for the purpose of this assignment, though. Let's go ahead and do U.S. newspapers. Click on U.S. newspapers, and at this point in time, you have several options, to put it mildly, to choose from. You have multiple options to choose from with this particular topic. For example, here, we look at number 9, changing school culture can end bullying. So at this point in time, you see the title of the article. It gives you a quick summary. The summary says, in this article, the author discusses the importance of the Speak Truth to Power human rights education curriculum, which is offered by human rights organization Robert F. Kennedy Center. So basically, it sounds like a particular program that can help stop bullying. Well, say in your particular paper you want to come up with some methods on possibly helping people stop bullying. Say this article interests you. All you need to do is simply click on the link, and at that point in time, you're going to see detailed record or PDF full text. It's going to pull up all of the information for you, okay? All of the publishing information. So you go and you click on PDF full text in this particular situation, and you can see that it pulls up the entire PDF file for you, and you go through and you read this particular article, and you make note cards out of this particular article using the note card process we went over in class, and you're good to go. Now let's say, for example, though, that you really don't like this particular article. You move on and you find another article that you feel suits your needs. Let's say also that you're like, holy smokes, this is way too broad, I need to narrow my research. Well, just go up to your search engine and narrow that research. So type in bullying, and if you want, you could say teenagers. You click on it. At this point in time, 2,769 options. Click on full text. Narrows it down somewhat. From there, let's focus on U.S. newspapers. 406. Click on that, and you see it's narrowed it dramatically for you. Okay? Say you read this particular summary, and you're like, this sounds really interesting. New website designed to help teenagers stop bullying. Simply click on it. At that point in time, it'll give you the publishing information. Click on PDF full text, and you're good to go. It'll pull up the particular article for you, and you may have to scroll down a little bit, and there's the article. And using your options, zoom in, read said article, and then from there, you're good to go. Make note card using the note card process I gave to you in class, and you now know how to find information on a newspaper database using academic databases provided to you by the Kansas State Library database. And you follow the same process with each one of your note cards and each one of your articles.